Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall the Riot Client. This tutorial is very simple, so follow the steps and I will show you how to remove this application. So we have two ways. The first method is the simple way. So the only thing that you have to do is to open the browser in your Windows between Pro. By the way, sorry that I can't put my computer in English, but this is really easy and you won't need it to be translated to English to understand. So now we are going to open this and we are going to type add or remove programs. So this is the option for Spanish. We are going to open this. We are going to find for the Riot client and then here we are going to press on uninstall, right? So in case this method doesn't work, because it doesn't work always, we have the longer way. The only thing that we have to do again is to open the browser, type Riot, and here as you can see we have the Riot client. Now we are going to press on left. Now we are going to press on right click and we are going to open file location. So here as you can see we are going to be on our file browser. So once here, right click on Riot Client again and press on Open on File Location again. Fine, once that we are here, we have Riot Games, Riot Client. We are going back one step and you'll see the Riot Client along with the game. So once that we are here, we're going to press on Delete and everything will be deleted from your computer. In this case, I can't do it because I have my application opened, but it's as simple as this. So if you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.